Man, that was a foggy ride. Not really doing anything today. Just came up to check on the glampsite, make sure the batteries are charged, and that the rainfly's holding up because no one has stayed in it since I put it up. But somebody's staying this week, so we'll check all the propane tanks, make sure they're full, just make sure everything is good. So the rainfly looks like it's holding up good. It has been raining out here, and the rain barrel is full. It's topped off to the brim. So you could probably take a shower for, I don't know, a couple hours maybe, before you run out of propane and water. I'm charging the batteries right now. They're at like 60%. It's been cloudy for like a whole week, so the solar really hasn't charged it. So I have the generator on. One of the propane tanks, the one down by the fire pit, is low. And I got some battery powered lights that are in like the little hanging tents, and a couple lights inside the tent that need AA's, and they're dead. So I'm gonna go to Tractor Supply down the road in Denton, fill up that propane tank and get some AA batteries, then come back. Hopefully by the time I get back, the battery will be charged. It said it'd take about an hour, so it doesn't even take that long to get to Denton and back, but we'll see. Forgot to get batteries, but that's okay. I got everything I need to put batteries at the Tractor Supply, but there's a Dollar General, and back there is a Family Dollar, which is like less than 5 minutes from the glampsite. So if you need anything, you can always come down here. Got the batteries. Literally, if you need anything, go to this Dollar General, because they have like a full mini grocery store in there. They have everything. If you need anything, you forget something, you come to the glampsite, go to this Dollar General or the Family Dollar that's over there. Yeah, so I replaced this line here. I had some people stay a month or so ago. They didn't, well, they said that the propane was leaking, and they didn't know why. And I told them, well, they did find out. They found out it was a squirrel chewed through the line. I told them just to take the line out of here and put it upstairs so that they could have it here. But I went and got a new line, hooked it up here, and I have the batteries charged now. They're at like 99%, which is good. Charged the River Pro with expansion batteries, 99%. That should last a month or so, unless, you know, somebody hooks a mini fridge up to it, and then it'll last a couple of days. But it's a little bit overcast now, but when it's sunny, those 3 panels, I have 2 on this side and 1 on that side, 300 watts total, should be sufficient to keep this thing topped off, especially if nobody's using it. Also charged up the little light. I got a couple other things I got to wrap up. Change the batteries in the little tents, change the battery in the light upstairs. I'm going to change the code to the lock for the next person when they come in, which will be this week. I got 2 people staying this week. I'm gonna be out here for my birthday next weekend with the wife. So that should be fun. We're supposed to go on a bike ride. Not a bike ride. Not a bike ride. Horseback ride through the Uwharrie National Forest. I know a horse farrier out here who can, by the way, if you want to book him, will take you on a guided horseback tour of the Uwharrie National Forest. There's lots of horseback riding trails out here. I think there's like 40 or so miles of trails out here, and he will take you out there and give you a guided horseback riding tour of the Uwharrie National Forest, which I think is awesome. But thanks for watching. The sun is trying to peek through this fog and melt it off. It is still a little foggy up here, but as you can see, it's starting to get a little sunny. See you next time. Thanks.